Okay, so we're going to start off with the basics of SmartView and how to get started. First things first, you're going to have to open up Excel after downloading the SmartView extension and the admin extension as well. So we're going to go ahead and first set up our shared connection. So we're going to go to options right here. And it'll pull up a menu like this. We'll go to advanced. And then right here, we'll have our shared connection URL. This will be from this backslash right here at workspace all the way until the slash from HTTP will be different for you. This is where you'll type in your IP address to connect to your connection. So I have my connection set up. And what we're going to do is pull up panel and press on shared connections. So right here, it gave me my prompt to type in my password. So I'm going to type in my password. And we're connected to our shared connection. So now from here, we can go to Oracle Planning. We'll open up our IP address, our plan, and we'll go to dimensions. These three right here are our admin extension. So we'll go to our dimensions. And we'll first start off with the count. So we'll edit the dimension, right click and edit dimension. All right, so we're gonna press refresh to refresh from the plan. For some reason. Okay, we'll pull up one that we already have open. Okay, so this is the counts that we have. So first of all, refreshing will refresh your SmartView page, and will bring whatever you have set up in your blocks already in your web. So let's talk about how we add a new entry. So first of all, we'll have to look at these. So we have our parent member, our default alias, and so what the parent member is, as we talked about earlier in the technology, everything's set up in hierarchies. So you have your financial department. This is entity, so we'll go to account. We have our net income right here. And then under that, we have gross income, and then the revenues. And under revenues, we have the different revenues. So if we look at this, this is the parent member. So for this, which is our perishable revenue, we have the parent member set as the normal revenue. So let's go ahead and type in a random thing. So we're going to say demo. And we'll put it under assumptions. So this, we'll put it under, this will put it underneath this value right here. So how we send that in is we press in submit data. We'll change this then. If you double click, it refreshes. That is why that's doing that. So we submitted our data that's inside of our block now, or inside of our dimension. So that's how you add dimensions. Refresh the page, it refreshes with the value, and it sets it up underneath the hierarchy. So that's just getting started. In the next video, we'll talk about what all these different things mean, and we'll continue on with the different dimensions as well.